Controversial musician Kelly Khumalo shocks many people with her announcement. She announced that she finally graduated as an Inyanga, a traditional healer. Kelly, who celebrated her 40th birthday on Monday, the 11th of November, revealed she's been trained as a traditional healer for 4 to 5 times over the past 15 years. Now she addresses females as Gogo and males as Mkulu. She is in the spotlight as the murder trial of late boyfriend Senzo continues in court. Now speaking to Cozy FM on Monday morning, the 11th of November, Kelly announced her graduation from training as Inyanga. Today, as I'm celebrating my birthday, I'm also graduating as Inyanga. So now I'm officially an Inyanga. After 15 years of searching and trying to figure out who I am today, I'm finally graduating. I am a certified Inyanga, but mine is different. It's not just traditional healing, but a universal gift. It's not only focused on black people, but it'll go all over the world. That's why it took longer for me to even figure it out. Gogo. I was trained 4 to 5 times, but today it is the first time I'm graduating as Inyanga. I was trained in many places, including in the river, nature, by prayer, and through my roots, because it's important to know where I come from, to know where I'm going, she said. Kelly said she's also working on a project to celebrate 20 years in the music industry titled 20 Years of Kelly Khumalo, to be released at the beginning of 2025. I'm celebrating many milestones: 20 years in the industry, turning 40, and graduating as Inyaga for the first time. For me, it feels like I'm given a new life and everything is renewed and restored, said Kelly Khumalo. She kept addressing Ukhozi FM presenter Mroza Buthelezi as Ugogo Mroza. Well, there you have it, guys. Thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.